Hello YouTube, I'm going to be showing you how to get free music on your PS3. How to get music on your PS3 for free. So let's get to this tutorial. What you need a few things. You need a PS3 controller, PS3 that PS3 with enough, like at least 10, 20 MB, 10, 20 MB. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is go to just for people that my username, if you guys see it. There's Swagstar 2030, and if you want, you can send me some friend requests. Okay. So what you want is just go to go to the internet, type in TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy, it's a website. Okay, can you guys see properly? I don't think so. TubeBuddy is a music site. It's spelled TUBID. So you guys close up. So TubeBuddy, and then you just search. And yes, I'm a PlayStation Plus member. So somewhere right up there somewhere. Yeah, where's it? Okay, wait, I got it. At the first link where it's gonna say, oh, that's pretty hard to. It says TubeBuddy Mobile. TubeBuddy Mobile Video Search Engine. Just what I'm gonna do. Okay. Yep. Go ahead and click on that. And this is completely free. And so let me search also. Let's search I'm not gonna say the name. If you guys could read it, then good for you, but I'm not gonna say the name because I do not want to be offensive to African Americans, because I have friends and they're African. Yeah, so you get on my point. If you don't, then sucks for you. Okay. So then this one you have to just here. There's gonna be a bunch of you see a bunch of options, right? So there's any MP3 audio. MP3 audio for my mouse fingers. Just click on it. Then the destination. Destination, I do not have my memory stick, so I'm just going to do system storage. 2760 KB, or I don't know what you call it. And I'm on the laptop, so it might be kind of bad. So guys, wait. Let's try make more videos about what I should do, like tutorial videos. It's going to install this, and then it's going to say complete. Hold on, let me just. Yeah, so I'm going to close the browser. Just go to my music, unknown, YU my. This is work. Okay, so guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and tell me more videos to make.